Hi, hello viewers. You are watching Kitty Clubhouse. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more updates. In this video, I am going to share you a 3 color matching activity. This activity will help your kids to develop their fine motor skill. If you want to know more about fine motor skill, please check the description box.
Green color. Very good. What color is that, Pa? Hinama? Purple color. Very good. And the arrow is facing down or up? Down. Beautiful, Pa. This is color, da? Red color. Okay. Arrow is facing where? Up or down? Down. Good job. Very good. Very super. Next. Black. Black? You took black. What color is that, Pa? Blue color. What color is that? No? Brown color. Good job. Okay. Good job. Very good. In a color, mother? White color. Okay. White. Good job. Next. Green color. Keep it on the green. Very good. What color next? Purple. Okay, very good. Next, Pa? That's color, Pa? Purple. Okay, that's okay. Wait, Amma, purple. Keep it on the purple. Take blue and keep here. The first square. First square is okay. First square. Next, what color, Pa? What color is it? This is color? Red color. Take red and keep. Near. Blue pakkathula inge blue pakkathula near. Very good. Next, what color is this? Inge paranga. What color is this? Purple. Take purple and keep. Very good. Keep it down. Very good. Next, what color, Ma? Black. So black. Good job. Next row fill பண்ணலாமா? Next row என்ன color இருக்கு? Purple. Very good. Keep near. Very good. The second row. Next, இது என்னப்பா? Green. Keep green. Yeah, purple. Down the red. இது என்ன color pa? Red color. Very good. Yes, correct. இது என்ன color ma? Blue color. Very good. Keep blue. Okay. Next, இது என்ன color? The third row என்னது first color?
Please like and subscribe Kitty Clubhouse channel. Click the bell button for more videos.